Good morning, it's Friday, it's the last day of back week here on the award-winning Move for Wellness. Yeah. And today we're doing...
I'll get over that award-winning.
That's why I like saying it. And today we're doing bird dogs, or Superman, or Superwoman, or Superperson. Okay. And so what you do when you start on all fours, and you just raise your opposite arm and opposite leg. So right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. Don't try and do all four at once, you'll just fall down. This is also not just good for stretching out your back and your hips and your shoulders, but also good for testing out your balance, helping you to improve your balance.
If you can do all four at once, then you've got a fantastic balance.
You will be able to do it for like 2 seconds and then splat.
I'm not trying it.
We did try and convince David to wear a cape, but he said no.
If I got to get a totu-shaped cape, then I would.
A tape.
Or two.
Or a cuckoo.
Yes.
But you can see why they're called bird dogs as well, because you go from looking like you're flying to looking like you're on all fours.
You can always text Friday. Oliver runs out of important things to talk about the exercise.
A little tease for Frivolous later on. We're going to be bringing the weekend one day earlier.
Or not.
Make sure you hold your core in tight to help support your balance. Always goes through my mind is jelly on the plate, jelly on the plate, wibble wobble, wibble wobble, jelly on the plate.
Much longer.
We've just finished. We'll see you next week.
We'll see you
and
tomorrow.
bye.
Bye.